Look at this. They're all coming down the hill. Oh, wow. They're all coming down. Like, let's go to the Fangers for food. Oh, this is great. And it's daylight, too. Oh, we got a buck. And a doe. Oops, she's peeing. Shh. Yep, they're all coming for food. Okay. All right. We'll go to the other side, the other window, and we'll continue, okay? All right, hold on.